Tumatak sa akin yung larong ngayon for two things. No? CJ Alatica na dating Negros. Yun yung huling laro niya. I believe as a hasyendero. Siyempre, yung kasama namin sa Rebanse na si Joe Gomez Deliano. Maganda ang nilaro niya yun. Ang tawag namin ni Mika doon, the Rebanse effect. Kesa doon sa mga fit na galawan ni Joe GDL.
3-point shot knocked down earlier by Tosi Tansinko pero bumawi naman. Peter Manalang inside. Diahar, former Muntinlupa Cager, able to score underneath.
Dahil sinanay mo kami na alam mo ang lahat ng bagay even before we asked of it, hindi ka sigurado. That's the problem pag alam mo lahat ng bagay. Pag dumating yung araw na hindi mo alam ang lahat, mas naalala ng tao yung araw na yon. Kasi yung mga...
Almost 3 minutes gone by in the first quarter. Manalang. Naagaw ng Sarangani on the run. Paul Sanga. You laid it. This year with Iloilo. And the last time that he was here, doon siya nag-explode eh. I think he had 38 points if I'm not mistaken. Tama, tandang-tanda ako yun. Kasi I grew up as a Pure Foods fan.
Okay. Cap Alvin.
Oo, Cap Alvin. Raymar Kaduyak. This was the game between Ginebra and Mobileye. Ginebra was the 8th seed.
Okay.
Yun yung buzzer-beating basket ni Baldavid.
That's a ridiculous number.
Mike Alvarez though has been playing well. 6 points.
Remember pointing this out nung sa Zamboanga, no? Because when they were having their struggles, they're still in the struggle. Zamboanga is the number 9. Showing the standings ng dalawang koponan. Mathematically, pwede pa sila pumasok as a play-in team.
Raymar Kaduyak hits the 3 on that jumper. Kaduyak, nice pass. Alvarez in stride for 2. Lakap sets his feet, fires. It will pop out. Kaduyak, outlet pass. Inigo able to escape and laid it.